Whew. Welcome back to Homestead Shenanigans. This is HS2. The S has hit the fan. You've got your tent set up. You've got your Volkswagen camper van ready to go. And you've got Cletus figuring out how to keep your stuff protected.
Die, you common bastard!
Now that we got Cletus in the rear with the gear, let's go figure out what we can forage in an SHTF situation that'll keep your bellies full just for the night. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to look, these sausages. There's either wild grass, wild onion, wild garlic. There's two differences between the garlic and the onion. This right here is going to be your garlic. As you can tell, you got tubular stalks, and when you go to break it, it is hollow. So what you're going to
back up the hollow.
So what you're going to want to do is clear out your little area. Well, that just cleared out most of our work. Be careful, because it's easy to break. And you get this whole little cluster of roots, and this whole plant is edible. Like I said, this is garlic. You smell it, it smells like garlic. Clean it up, eat the whole thing. Just be careful though, if it doesn't look, if it doesn't smell like garlic or onion, that could be lily, and that is dangerous. Next thing you're going to want to look for is dandelions. Everyone knows what dandelion looks like. It's a common weed people can have out in their yard. This beautiful little flower is edible. The whole thing. They usually come springtime, early springtime. Obviously we're in early springtime, so there's not many, but in an SHTF situation, depending on how many people you have, it's a good little source of vitamins, what have you, extra added greens.
What I'm assuming is garlic. Maybe we should just pull it off.
It's gonna be big. Woo! Oh yeah, that's garlic.
So good.
That is garlic.
Oh, it smells amazing. I'll bring this inside.
Can dehydrate it.
Yum. You test it.
Me?
What are you doing?
Okay, so I'm about to test the garlic. See, here on Homestead Shenanigans, we don't just send you guys off into the wild and say, hey, this is wild garlic, go eat it. You know, because that's a very bad idea. So to show you, this is what we do. That just come off of there. Oh yeah, that's fucking
Garlic.
that
wow.
is some that is some garlic. We're gonna have to censor that out.
That was your first cuss word. Woo-wee! That'll clear your sinuses.
Ooh.
Ah, snake! Ah!
Here.
Oh, that smells so good.
Yeah.
I can't remember what I look like. Oh, it's good though.
It's
subtle.
really spicy though. Once you start chewing, it's really spicy.
Not really. Ooh.
Go.
Ooh. I say.
So the number one important rule is if you're not 100% sure, don't eat it. You don't want to end up like this guy. Okay, so the next one is going to be your purple dead nettle, which we conveniently have already located. And if you look up or behind you, they're everywhere. It's not like we're in a shortage of purple dead nettle. So purple dead nettle is not only a wild edible green, it's also a highly nutritious superfood. That's it here. Like I said, they're everywhere. The leaves are edible. The purple tops are even sweet. And since the leaves are relatively fuzzy, they're better used as an herb garnish or like something used in a salad.
Where's Dove?
Behind us. The one beauty about foraging for purple dead nettle is there's no poisonous lookalikes. So no matter what, you're golden. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to look for is your dock plants. And dock plants are a umbrella term for many different kind of plants, but they all look the same. This right here is an example of a dock plant. Now these leaves can be eaten raw or cooked. As you can tell, that slug is loving him some dock plant. Once this plant sends up a stem, so something similar to like this, your leaf's gonna be too rough, but it's still edible nonetheless. Perfect for a salad, perfect greens for a salad right here. A lot of people, they'll have another dock plant, will have another stem coming up with a little brown tip, and that's gonna be your plantain. Let's move our buddy. He'll get to stay right there, because I need this one. Like I said, this is a very persistent plant, and it'll continue to grow unless you get this entire root system. That's a dock plant. Perfect for your salad. All right, so the last ingredient for our SHTF salad is the wood sorrel. And this looks completely like clover, except for the fact that, as you can tell, wood sorrels have a heart shape as opposed to the clover, which has a oval shape. This has the same benefits as clover. It's good with salads, good nutrition, vitamins. Like I said, this is the last piece to our salad. All you do, just pull it right up. All right, let's take it into the kitchen. All right, so real quick before we head in to the kitchen, I wanted to show y'all the difference. This is a clover, the rounded part, as opposed to the heart shape, which is wood sorrel. I just wanted to clarify that real quick. All right, let's get into the kitchen. Okay, babe, your plate is ready.
I don't need meat or roots.
Oh, hold on.
Thank you.
There you go. Here we go with the SHTF salad. It's like a salad. It's really not that bad. Woo! I am stuffed. Granted, we have chickens, so in an SHTF situation, we're going to dispatch some chickens. So this is realistic. I'm full. It was yummy. I don't feel sick. And that's how you do that. Now, before we end it, Corey,